it's me Ria and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be talking about my September favorites. So if you guys want to know, then please keep on watching. So from this month onwards, in my monthly favorites video, I'm going to include a new category, and it is 2 favorite YouTubers for the month. Now I particularly thought of this category because we as YouTubers work equally hard like established YouTubers as well, but the issue that we face is audience reach and visibility. So no matter how much efforts you put in to make a good video, if it is not reaching the audience, then the efforts, it goes wasted. So this is just my tiny little initiative to help fellow YouTubers. If through my channel, if they could get an X number of subscriber base, then it would just make me happy. And I just hope that watching this category, even my fellow YouTubers and other YouTubers start including this in their monthly favorites, so that slowly and gradually we newbies or we new YouTubers can also grow. So yeah, for this month I have 2 YouTubers. The first YouTuber that I'm going to be talking about, her name is Shaima and her channel name is The Desert Rose Journals. And I've already done a collab video with Shaima, and it was an Indian flag inspired makeup look for the Independence Day. So if you guys have not yet watched that video, I will link that video in the description box below. Also, I'm going to link Shaima's channel in the description box below, so please make sure you go and check out her channel. She is a very big supporter of cruelty-free brands. Whether it comes to skincare or makeup, she only prefers cruelty-free brands. So if you guys would love to know which are the cruelty-free brands, then you should definitely go and subscribe to her channel. Yeah, so that was Shaima, and the second YouTuber that I'd like to talk about is Jyoti, and her channel name is Jyoti Jia Love. Now every time I see Jyoti or her daughter Jia on my screen, it just brings a smile on my face. I don't know, for some reason I just love watching them. Very much sure that even you would love watching Jyoti and Jia, and she gives product reviews, and she also does this and she also does some DIYs, as well as even Jia, she does some kids DIYs. So I'm sure you will love her channel as much as I do, and also the link to her channel is also mentioned in the description box below, so please make sure you visit her channel as well. And also please do subscribe to both Shaima and Jyoti's channels. It would mean a lot to me and to them as well. And I just hope that this chain continues and together we all can grow. So these were the 2 YouTubers I wanted to talk to you about. Now let's get on to skincare. Now for the skincare category, I have 2 products, and both are from the same brand called Janelli. Now Janelli is a family owned business which is based in Uttarakhand, and they manufacture apricot kernel oil and scrub. Now I've got both today here with me. This is the apricot kernel oil, and it is a 120 ml of bottle, and this is the apricot body scrub, and both are for body actually. So I've been using both these since the past 2 weeks, and I am just loving it. Now if you guys do not know, apricot kernel oil is very rich in omega 6 and 9, and also in vitamin A and E, and that is why it is very good for your skin. And also, since it is very light, it gets easily absorbed into your skin without without leaving that sticky feeling. I've used this body scrub 4 times until now. Since I've been using it from the past 2 weeks, I use it twice in a week. And this scrub, although it has a very grainy texture when you touch it, when it comes in contact with water, it just becomes very easy to spread on your skin, and it does not feel that very harsh. Okay, so it's absolutely safe to rub it onto your skin and massage it well, so that you can get rid of your dead cells. And then what I generally like to do is, after I wash my body, and generally after I take shower, I like to apply the apricot oil all over my body. This apricot kernel oil is so light in texture that it completely gets absorbed into my skin like I have not applied anything. Okay, ever since I've started using these 2 products, my body has become so smooth. I mean, the dryness has vanished completely, and even the darkness has started to reduce, and which is why I came to know that you guys are not aware, If you have dry skin which is not well moisturized, slowly it will start getting dark. So if you guys have been suffering from dark knees or elbows, probably it is because of the dryness. So you should make sure to use a good oil to massage it well, so that even the skin can get replenished. So I will highly recommend both the apricot oil as well as the body scrub by Janelli for your body. It is a must have product for you, for your body. And I got both these in a combo offer of 550, which is, I think, a very decent deal. So these two were the products in the skincare category. Now let's get on to the makeup. And the first product in the makeup category is by Lakme. It is the 9 to 5 Potted in the shade Desert Rose. So if you're just a beginner and do not want to invest in a very expensive eyeshadow palette, or if you're just looking out for something especially for Indian functions or weddings, then this is a perfect potted for you, because it has a perfect highlighter shade. This golden shade is a perfect highlighter. It has a baby pink shade, which again is good for subtle makeup. Then it has a beautiful bronze shade which looks beautiful whether you are dusky or you're fair. It's just going to look beautiful on you. And then there's a dark maroonish bronzy shade which can be used to create some depth after you apply the bronze shade. Now I've already done a makeup look using this shadow, and it was my Onam Get Ready With Me. So just in case if you guys have not seen that video, I will link that video in the description box below or somewhere here in the suggestion box, so that you could check that video out and see for yourself how I have used this potted. And this retails only for rupees 600, and again even on Nykaa and Amazon you will find it even cheaper with because it's always on discount. So yes, this is a perfect potted for beginners, especially if you're looking out for eyeshadow colors specifically for Indian functions or weddings. So yeah, this is a must-have. So the next product in the makeup category is the PAC Brush Cleanser. I never thought I'd be buying a brush cleanser, because I always thought, why to buy a brush cleanser, why to spend so much of money when I can easily deep clean my brushes with just water and soap. But I did realize that it was quite a time consuming process, and that is why I thought, okay chalo yaar, abhi itne sare brushes hai, let me just buy a brush cleanser and see how it works. So I got this brush cleanser for 850 rupees and my life is sorted. I can just say this. You just need to spritz this on the brush, say 1 or 2 pumps, and just wiggle it on any tissue paper and you're done. And it has such a fresh fragrance that even your brushes start smelling so fresh. If you are also someone who delays cleaning their brushes because it is time consuming, then just get this and your life will be sorted, because as you know, makeup with unclean brushes can harm your skin very badly. So just get this. It is for 850 rupees. I know it might be costly for some, but it is worth it. It's definitely worth it. So yes, this is a must-have product and which I've been absolutely loving in the last month. And the third product in the makeup category are these L18 Colourpop matte lipsticks. These only retail for 100 rupees and I really like the shade called Mauve Date. It's a beautiful mauve shade. It's perfect for everyday wear, especially if you are a office goer, or if you are a college going student who does not like to bright lipsticks. This is a perfect pick for you for everyday wear. It is so comfortable to wear, so it glides on so easily. Perfect. You should definitely go and get this. And the last and the final product is again from PAC, and it's the PAC Big Eyes Mascara. It retails for 595 rupees, and if you still have not got this, then you are missing out big time, because get it girls, just get it. This is a perfect mascara, especially if you are someone like me who didn't even know that they have lower lashes. The second one, the number 2 one, which is the thin one, it is a beauty. The way it curls my lower lashes, it is just brilliant, and I definitely feel you should go ahead and get it. So yeah guys, those were my September favorites. I hope you did like this video, and I hope you also did like the new section of favorites that I have included in this month's video. and if you really did, then please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and also please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I shall see you all in my next video. Until then, bye bye.